Alright, starting over. Look. Oh, don't even get me started, okay? I know you're broke. Okay? You need money. Right now. You're desperate for money. You want money? You have to spend entry fee. Everyone should have at least $100. That's the foundation for what I'm gonna do for you. This is basically $100 that will return you upwards of $300. Okay? So, look at it from this perspective. You spend $900. That's a bit scary, sorry. $600 over the span of 12 months. What happens? What happens is, over the span of those 12 months, 3 of those months, you make money. Or pass funded account. Guess how much money you make on a average payout for a funded account? 50k. Hey, let's say that a funded account is 50 bucks. You can do the math, it adds up. And you get a payout for $300 for each 3 months. So that's $900. So you'll make $300 net profit. Okay. So, with that said, making money. You want either A, you can buy a funded account for 50 bucks and then pay for a subscription for 100 bucks, 150 bucks. But believe it or not, the starting price is actually only 50 bucks, so it's technically only 100 bucks for entry fee. You pay $100, or you 10x margin. That means that if you had $100 to invest, you bet $1,000. Or you could pay $50 for $50,000 to spend money on. You buy the monthly subscription for my trading bot on top of the funded account. And that basically automates the entire thing. Now, obviously you're gonna have to actively look at the stock to buy for that day, which I already shared to you on the Discord. But then, once you, cause I have it on Discord at the moment, because I don't have much time out of my day to do much. It's just a foundational thing, obviously. But Discord server, not only do I announce every single day the stock to buy, at least I used to ping everybody. I ping everybody stock to buy for that day, every single day, and everybody gets to see it. So it's free. So you could just look at that, and you don't have to have the numbers. You could get that for free if you just join this Discord server. Now, or you could just stay broke. You know, you could literally have passive income just by having an entry fee of $100. You could have passive income and you just stay broke. My trade bot for $100 funded account. Both of these will cost you about $100. So let's look at spreadsheet. I'm stupid. 50 plus 50. And we're completely autistic. Alright, fuck spreadsheet. We're going back. Calculator, because this is stupid. Oh, that's just 1,200. Mm-hmm. 3 of those months are payouts of $300. That's $900. So you'll be like, oh, you lost $300. No. No, no. That's incorrect. Because now you'll have 3 funded accounts that are passed. And you know what you can do with those funded accounts? You have monthly return in the same ratio, but it's $50,000 to spend instead of 10,000. So that's how funded accounts work. Yeah, I might just jump off a bridge at this point. I mean, so, like, let's just delete all of this stuff. So, you're broke. You are very broke right now, and you want to not be broke, which is bad. So you pay or go in debt for funded and trading bot. This will be passive income on top of the regular crap you do in your day-to-day life. Like, for example, DoorDash, Uber Eats, Walmart, whatever their app is called, fucking Spark Driver, fucking Grubhub. You know, these are all the jobs that you're trying to get, probably, like, as an average person. Roadie. Fucking Amazon Flex. All this shit is retard shit. Ah, stupid. My dad's a daddy. Just kidding.
Type of motherfucker.
My dad's goated. This is retard shit. Boom. Don't do any of this shit. You could make 4,000 a month if you worked 8 hours a day. $4K a month. Okay? So it's not that hard to make money if you're 18. If you're not 18, jump. Just kidding. Just lie. Just lie. Just lie about your age. If you can. If you can't, then you're cooked. Get a youth account for trading. And for a funded account, just lie. Like, that's it. That's the best option that you got. Parents. Now, here's the big issue that a lot of people have. Like, if you have this as an issue, nah, I'm just kidding. But you gotta figure out a way to keep it a secret. I don't care. Just put that skeleton in your closet along with all the others. I know you got some. Keeping secrets. Okay? Now, mental disorders make you lazy. Sorry. You think fix mental disorder, you take drugs, right? Yeah, that'll fix it, right? Wrong. Don't take drugs. They make you worse. Straight up. There's not even the side effects, it's straight up the effects. Straight up. Are bad. They're very bad. Very bad. Very, very stupid. Retard. Dummy head. So, fish. Here's the link to the server. Copy. Boom. There it is right there. Patreon. You know what? You don't even have to subscribe to my Patreon. I'll give you a free subscription, majority of y'all, because I don't care anymore. I've given up on caring about any of y'all. Y'all are hopeless. I don't even know what I'm gonna title this video. What should I title it? I gotta ask fucking ChatGPT real quick. Yo, listen to me, dumb fuck. Hello? Yo, can you hear me? Oh my fucking god, it's actually gonna make me jump off a bridge. Hello? Can you hear me? Watch it take 3 minutes to load. Okay, it didn't take 3 minutes to load. I hope you die in a fire. No, I'm just kidding. Fuck, what was I gonna ask? Oh yeah. Give me YouTube title for funded account and combination of my trading bot for a subscription of Patreon. Nah. Don't even subscribe. Just join the Discord server. Like, you know what? I'll come up with some shit later on. Like, this is probably gonna be hopeless anyway, so it doesn't really matter at all. Like, who cares about this? This is all gay shit anyway. So yeah. Can't get the fucking gay shit. Oh my god. So yeah, you got passive. Okay, 3 sources of income. Ready? One, active. 2, passive. 3, OnlyFans. So you see, the first 2, you got this one down, right? And then this one, you know, never gonna happen, obviously. This one, just last resort. Okay? You want to remain pure for as long as you can. Now, option 4 is obviously, you know, live with your parents till 50. Have a boring life. Probably. Look. Here's all I'm trying to get you to do, okay? Is not even to take a single action. If you have the energy to sign up, to some app like DoorDash or Grubhub. Oh fuck. You have enough energy to join the server at least. At least. Dead ass. So that is my presentation. Peace, suckers. So I'll see.